activity? I mean, this lifting activity?
All the activity, I understand that we agree. For some activity, we will need further assessment instead of calculation or whatever, or further study. So this activity, instead to put it bluntly today, P, because P is prohibited, but I mean, the situation is open to assessment.
Okay.
As work will start during the time, yeah.
Okay, agree. I think in this case we can make some further study. There is a one see, as per our system, we can also generate some point. If we do not know something, further study required. We can put FS.
Exactly.
I will take.
Exactly. Yes.
Yes, I will. Further study is required.
Here, I think no further study required. Otherwise, what I'm thinking is prohibited. This will be prohibited around that area. Of course, 100% will be prohibited. But I agree with you around the let's say the restricted area. Yeah, the area only. It's not like this activity will not be allowed. You cannot work around the hazardous area. This is 100%.
Okay.
But
So,
the study depends on the operation. For example, I'm doing this activity. It will not affect me for the next few days. So yeah, you can work in this area, no problem. It depends on the this will be a dynamic, let's say,
dynamic situation. Yes, yes. You do not know. And so, guys, I mean, if you see my screen, I have put one statement, FS1. Further study is needed during lifting activity on case-to-case basis. So, is that okay? Because I agree. I mean, because we do not know what are the risks, what are the this one. Or here, this is live hydrocarbon. If there is live hydrocarbon, other than the lifting, I can put fire and explosion. I will make it R8. I will not make it R5. I will make R8. Because live hydrocarbon, you cannot allow any lifting on the live equipment. It can impact in case of drop object. It can have the LOPC, and let us make it R8. So, guys, I hope you agree with my proposal, because we cannot do any lifting if some of the equipment has got hydrocarbon, because there is a possibility of drop object which may impact your facility, and you have hydrocarbon, and you have fire and explosion, and you have people. It is high risk activity. Okay. And B17 is a vehicle material movement that we have agreed. R2 is only for vehicle entry and heavy material equipment inside the well-paid area for drilling activity. In the workshop, we have agreed is allowed. Okay, guys. Now let us understand the new well activation. So, Bijay, when you are activating the well, you want to stop the job or you want to do only restriction? Drilling